work, I'm just gonna maybe come back to it later.
Kyle's out here with his fresh.
Go get my Polaroid.
Where's it at?
Charging.
Well,
I haven't charged it. I didn't know. Yeah. You gotta charge it, but
Greg is struggling with the drone right now.
it's better than having batteries.
We'll be back. It's not James driving a convertible.
It's not working at all. I thought it was gonna be really stylish. I'm doing it. It's a convertible. It's a hot day out.
I want to fly the drone. Oh, what were you thinking?
Take a picture of you with your camera.
Welcome, that's Kyle. Long lost.
Oh yeah, I got
Greg.
the S2 row too, by the way. S2 rows. Developing in the moment.
What is that?
This is the S2 row.
So right now we're at the open house. I'm just gonna do a candid intro because things is pretty crazy. You know, come back there, showing off the
We
fans.
have to get that guy to fly the drone.
He's fanning himself. You got any input?
It's crazy. There's a lot of people here. We really didn't even know what to expect.
How many people are here that you don't know?
Most of them.
Yeah, I probably select 3 people that I know.
Yeah, only my dad came.
Pop, okay.
His car's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Damn, I need to get me a Polaroid now.
This actually should be in your possession. That's a row full of S2s.
That's actually just custom door camera.
I don't know what I'm getting myself into right now.
Dude, your glasses are about to fly off.
Did you see that?
I don't know. And it seems legit. Got the radio and the center console.
There's 10,000. 10,000 watts?
10,000 watts.
Yeah, this your man, I hate to be him.
Never have I ever seen no shit like that.
Roll up in a Saturn and blow everybody's mind real quick.
What's up, buddy? It's the bomb Nick. Oh shit.
We got it next to Greg Hicks's Super Green 350Z. We got Xavier. We got our boy Xavier right behind us,
Who's that?
trying to pan on me, but we're gonna actually pan on him. It's a sniper gang right here. He always gets the most insane shots, right? Right, Xavier? All right, cool. All right, so it's pretty cool out here. We got some 240s over here. We got the Z's over here. We got the S2000s over there. We're out there.
Yeah, for a car straight danger right now. I used to take my daughter to he likes the ball.
If you just grab it and start running.
Take the mic. Got us a nice little GTR out. 350, Greg, Billy. So it's cool cool outcome. That step away, it's a little overwhelming. A lot of people. But if you didn't make it out this time, don't worry. Probably do it again. We honestly didn't know what to expect. All right, let's go see what Kyle's doing. He's pulling up. Got a fresh brew in his hand. Thinking he a rap star.
Park on the BMW Drive, bro. You supposed to be on Beamer Road, bro. What you doing, bro?
The Beamer gang.
Beamer Road, bro.
The Banditos.
All the
This is S2000 Honda Avenue. This is 2002 BMW Street. I think Nissan showed up, bro. I think Nissan definitely came through deep. What do you think?
I think I'm tired.
You tired?
I
Yeah.
had no caffeine today.
Oh yeah, you gotta get one of them little pulled chicken sandwiches, bro. That protein will get you right.
Tie-down came through. Tyler. I should have messed with him. That fitment, son. That fitment, son. I had to troll you. It's only right. Put a roll cage on this. I ain't see it. Check it out. Alright, this is gonna be like attempt number 4 of the drone. We have a special person helping.
How's it going?
Nice to meet you. We just met him today. He's pretty cool. So we're gonna try and give you a drone overview shot. Hopefully I'm not like too dark right now. But if I am, whoops. Alright, Nick. Alright, Kev.
Kevin is so hot right now.
I know.
I know.
Glad you came out, man.
Yeah, man.
A+, y'all don't know, you better know. Let's see about that.
Dude, we gotta do some more collabs real soon.
Damn, that black get hot.
Alright, dude.
Alright.
See you, homie.
Adios.
Have fun. See you, dude.
That was Mr. Nick Kraft himself. Alright, let's get some more drone.
Alright, we're up there already.
Oh, it's not, that was quick.
200 feet up. Let's see, Greg's car. Bright and green.
Yeah, the blue one left. Well, this is how big the shop is for anybody that wants to know.
Actually really big.
Yep. And there you go. Welcome. That overview drone shot.
Drone! It's drone time.
Drone life.
You say you buy a shotgun?
I'm gonna usually forget. Give me a key. Give me a key.
You just cracked it open. You can't do it
No,
now.
it's not open.
Oh, here you go. Here you go. I got you.
Watch.
Shotgun that shit.
Wait. Do you think?
Man, you couldn't have grabbed my keys or some shit before you
Do you think?
You ready? What audio am I recording? Just following you?
Yeah, just ambient noise.
Is Greg accurate enough for me to stand in the middle and do a donut around me?
Probably. Go ask him. Ask him how he feels about that.
I think that'd be good.
All right, get Greg a little bit, and then we'll go.
Do you have audio?
Yes.
Of course he has
Yeah,
audio.
it's recording already.
Should I start nursing?
Shyster, go ahead. Still's not gonna stop.
Pretty impressive.
We didn't follow him that far. I don't know.
He doesn't know you're not.
He's just by himself, just doing Verna. I feel like he's gonna be coming back.
Is the drone with him?
He's coming back.
He still got him on the drone.
Yes.
Right, see?
Hey, Pop, you're okay. You're okay. You don't trust, no, doesn't trust the drone.
Oh yeah,
Tasty stuff, baby.
All the way through the loop. The drone got most of it. We stopped at this corner, but then the drone followed you for pretty much all of it. That's badass. You want to hit donuts? Sure. Yeah. He's gonna get in there.
Take my belt off.
Hold your hands up. Come on, Get a close up of the tire. Your tire's dead. Oh yeah, I can it's shredded. That's hot. Oh, holy shit, she's gone. Yeah.
It's much better that my tire popped off. It literally just needs to be
Use this audio.
Both. Clap. Or clap right quick. Clap. All right. Welcome back.
We here, Street Bandito HQ.
Wrecking the tire.
First annual. I don't even know what to call it.
It's an open house.
Open house.
That's what we've been calling it.
Hold up. Get this right quick. Look at the aftermath.
The splatter.
I don't know why I'm looking at myself like I wasn't sitting in the car.
You were in the car. You were caught. I mean, I'm good.
Greg shot me up. Lens might be a little dirty, but it is what it is. Yeah, let's hold this. Bootleg setup. All right. So how y'all want to do this?
I don't know. We're just gonna wing it. Thank you everybody for coming out. Awesome people. We had a bunch of people came through earlier and already left, but I mean, thank you guys for sticking out to the end. It's about 3 o'clock. Not sure exactly what time it is.
I don't know.
250.
Goes till the tire blows.
Yeah, we go till the tire blows and we're done.
And the tire
Pretty much
blew.
it.
So.
But thank you everybody that came out. Thank you everyone.
Yeah, clap it up. Yeah. Woo!
Let's all just yell Street Bandito. 3, 2, 1. Street Bandito!
Oh damn, that's epic.
It's a weird word to say.
Yeah. Is anyone Spanish here?
Oh, before we go though, thank you, Anthony.
Yay, food, B3.